Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Selfi.
What is the difference between determination and dedication?
Determination is when you determine something, and dedication is like when you dedicate to something.
Okay, clap him.
Determination is when you never give up.
What does it take to be famous?
Hard work.
Hard work, clap him. Chef,
Attitude.
good attitude.
Yes.
Oh, name 5 of the laws that I said or that we said to be successful. Yeah, talk loud.
Work hard.
Yeah.
Selfi TV, thanks for coming to Albion Primary and Junior High. Yes, sir.
Good morning, everybody. And how are you today? Great. If you're great, put one hand in the air. Say, I am great. I will make my family proud. And my friends. And the world. And my teachers. And everybody. I can be what I want to be. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a lawyer. I want to be a doctor and a police officer. What about soldier? All my soldier, put your hand in the air right now. Selfi TV, look at the soldiers. Look at the pilots. Look at the chefs. Look at everybody. Big up to all the teachers one more time and big up to Albion Primary. As you see, I take some time out of my busy schedule just to be here because I love you all. You mean so much to me. You are the future and I love you so much. And first of all, while starting a career, it's good to have a plan from early and know what you want from early. Alright, so clap yourself for knowing what you want from early. And clap yourself if mommy is your biggest inspiration. If daddy is the inspiration or your teacher, clap yourself. If you are your biggest inspiration, say woo! I know what I want! You can get it if you really want. You must try, be determined, be humble, be patient, have manners because that take you through the world. Always dress good, be clean, no bad hygiene. Alright? No bad hygiene, right? You must go to work fresh, right? With your teeth brush, right? If you brush your teeth, say yeah. Alright, you know we look like excitement. All my nurses, put your hands in the air. All my police officers, all my soldiers, all my students. Everybody, one more time. Clap yourself! Say Selfi TV! No DVD, no CD.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. All right.
Salute!
My soldiers.
Hey!
Thank you very much. All right. Orderly. Orderly. Just take your time. Take your time.
Bye! Alright. Do you love him? Alright, clap him. I'm looking at the future nurses, you know what I mean, the police officers, the doctors, you know what I mean, everybody who have a career. I hope all of them achieve them goal. Alright? So big up to all Kanabis Selfi TV fans. They're the next generation and I hope this generation, I pray for this generation to be peaceful, be loving, be loyal and everything that is good to say. Alright, so stay tuned for more on Kanabis Selfi TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. And we are watch. Love you. Kanabis Selfi TV. And we are watch. Selfi.